find a way to stop the Wither Storm for good. The threat to this world, to its very existence, is far from over.
It's fine, Cat.
Complete chaos! Look how big it is!
It's in 3 parts now.
Bigger than ever! How are we
That's what she
gonna
said.
kill it now?
Where am I? What's happening?
What eyes
is all
this?
this?
Are
Like
you
the
okay?
devil!
That smell.
Are you okay?
It's you, the smell.
I don't... Do I know you?
She don't even know us.
Jesse!
What happened to
Where
her?
are you? Say something, Jesse!
Coming.
She looks evil.
coming! No way! No way! You found Petra?
Who is Petra?
We should ask her who she thinks she is.